Hi, this is Jason from Rockland Technologies, and today we're going to be taking a quick look at the 802.11ac dual band Wi-Fi options from ALFA Network. First, we have the ALFA AWUS036ACS. This is the entry-level option for ALFA. It's one single antenna, and it's going to get you basic range, basic connectivity, dual band 802.11ac networking. We also have the AWUS036AC model. It's similar to this one, but it has two antennas, so it gets twice the throughput right there. Could be a great option for you. Here we have the ALFA AWUS036ACH. Now, like this model here, it has two antennas also, but this has a high power amplifier inside that's designed to pick up the signal stronger and from further away. So if you're looking for a dual band 802.11ac range boost, this is going to be your best option here. And this product over here actually has four total antennas, but it doesn't have the high power booster that this one has. So this is still going to be your best option for total range. But if you're going to be using this with a 3 or a 4 antenna 802.11ac Wi-Fi router, this is going to get you the best throughput speed overall. If you'd like some more information on these products, just please scroll down and check our description there on YouTube for a product link or visit us at rockland.com.